In this video, we are going to talk about how you can monitor your server traffic in real time. So if you want to know that your website visitors are the real people, or maybe some bots, or maybe some malicious scripts, or maybe even Google bots, so how you will find all that information we will check in this video. So let's begin. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about WordPress, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So in this series of WordPress security for beginners, in this episode, we are going to talk about how you can monitor the server traffic of your website in real time. So we do have Google Analytics and we also have various plugins that can show you the traffic of your website and also in real time. But there is no way that they can help you understand that this is a real visitor or some kind of bot or maybe even a Google crawler. So you cannot differentiate between all these traffic if you are just relying on Google Analytics or any other analytics tool. So in this video, we will be installing a simple plugin and we will take a look at how we can monitor our server traffic in real time. So let's dive in the WordPress backend and I'll show you how it works. Alright, so this is a fresh WordPress we have just created, and let's go back in the WordPress backend. And if we go to plugins, we don't have any plugin installed yet. So let's go ahead and click on add new. And here we will search for WordFence. So this is the WordFence security plugin that we are going to install. So let's click on install now. All right, let's click on activate. All right, so now the installation is done. It's asking us to enter email ID. So on that email ID, it can send the notification about the security alerts. So you can enter your email ID here. So let me just accept the terms, and here you can accept or reject if you want to receive the newsletter from WordFence. So for now, I just select no, and here you can enter your email ID. All right, let's click on continue. All right, so here is the key for the premium WordFence plugin. So we are not going to use the premium version right now. So let's go ahead and click on no thanks. All right, so now our basic setup is done. And here is the WordFence icon here in our dashboard. And if we go to our dashboard for this plugin, so let's close this box. So this plugin acts as a firewall as well as a malware scanner. And you just get the general information about how many bots the WordFence plugin is actually blocking. So that's a pretty high data here. So let's go to our tools section here. And so this is the live traffic window where we will see what kind of traffic is coming on our WordPress website. So as this is a pretty new WordPress website or a new WordPress setup, so we don't see any traffic yet. Here you will see the live traffic coming on your server, and if you can filter out all the traffic as humans, registered user, which are registered on your WordPress website. You can also filter out crawlers or maybe Google crawlers, and it will also show you the login and the logouts and various other options. And if you check all the tables, it will show you the type of traffic, which it will take it from here, and the location from where the traffic is coming from. It will also show you the page visited and how much time is it spending on the traffic with the IP address, host name, and response and the view. So it does a pretty deep analysis of the traffic coming on your server, and there is no way that you can get all this data in one screen using any analytics tool. So that's the benefit of this live traffic option from WordFence plugin. And with that, you will be able to know that if the traffic coming on your WordPress website is real or any fake or any bot is visiting your WordPress website. Now, if we go back in this live traffic option, by default, we have this security only traffic monitoring. But if we turn that to all traffic, it will start monitoring all the traffic that is coming to your website server. And if we open our website in a new incognito window and then try to open that, and if we come back to our live traffic, you see that it's now recording the traffic here. We have the green sign, which means that the visitor is human. We have the location, the page, the date and time with IP address and host name. And if you want to see the details, you can click on that and you will see all the details about the traffic on your website. And if we go in any inner page, let's click on this post. We come back here. Now you see that a new visit is registered with the inner page and all other details. So this is a pretty detailed view of your traffic on your WordPress website, which a normal analytic tool will not able to show. So in the next video, we will take a look at how you can utilize this live traffic feature, and then you can control the traffic coming on your WordPress website. So that's it for a quick tutorial to show you how you can track your website or your web server traffic in real time using WordFence plugin. So if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos related to WordPress security, make sure you watch our playlist. The link is in the I button above or the video description below. To learn more about WordPress, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.